Good morning, Madam Author. Today I'm going to present about business logistic project, and our project's name is AI Swift. And my name is Nadisri Dr. Chandran. So for the first, let's see the introduction. This new Swift AI system is to analyze our present Swift logistics and booking confirmation in order to determine how to simplify the procedures on requesting cargo rates and make reservation via our shipping lines website. In order to streamline this process, shipping lines and our consignee are included in this new implementation, while our sales staff can adjust their markup price regarding the rates provided by shipping lines and open up booking slots for our consignees to continue their bookings independently based on their needs. Our consignees can specify any unique and links or other requirements in the designed remark area. So for the business problem or issue is, for the first one is we should request for the cargo rates of the liners separately for every month. And second one is we should book the containers separately in our liners website. For example, MERS, Evergreen, OOCL, and etc. Is business project objective. So for the objectives, we covers almost two main, which is the cargo rates will be updated by shipping lines every month in the system. Second one is customers can directly book their containers based on their requirements, and if there's anything they can add it to the remark section. For example, if they need a reefer container, so they can add it to the remark section for the information. Next is justification of business project selection. Project overview. The project goal is to establish an AI-based forwarding booking system that would let customers schedule shipment, monitor delivery, and instantly route optimization. And AI also will used by the system to forecast shipping demand, minimize reservation times, and enhance resource efficiency across a range of transportation modalities. So for the key benefit, first is risk control in security and privacy of data. Make sure that shipping and customer data are managed safely by privacy laws such as GDPR. When transmitting data, use safe APIs and encryption. Second is growth and scalability in automated volume handling. AI makes it possible for the system to manage large booking volumes without human involvement, which facilitate the company's ability to grow operation during their peak season. Third is cost savings with fewer mistakes. Human errors such as lost shipments, incorrect bookings, and miscommunication are less likely when AI manages the booking system, which lowers the expense of correction and customer complaints. The last one is scope of business project. The key deliverables are AI-based booking automation and scheduling, the best route optimization to the nearest spot for transshipment and final destination based on provided periods. Second is real-time tracking with reporting dashboard, and customers can notify by AI about the port of loading, port of discharge, date and time, and container details. Third is updates of monthly cargo rates by shipping liners to ease customers to book their container based on their requirement. The last one is shippers will get instant conclude reasonable freight charges by Swift AI Swift once they finalize their bookings. Stakeholders for this project is first is project manager, which is IT and logistic lead. Second is AI and software development team. They are responsible for system development and integration. Third is logistic and freight forwarding team, which is the end user of the new AI Swift system. The last one is customers and freight partners. They are beneficiaries of improved booking service.
So for the next title is situation and risk analyze. So for the situation and risk analyze is increasing demand for real-time automate freight booking, and the second one is stakeholder such as customer, staff, partners are open to digital innovation. So for the first point is risk. Technical risk. For the technical risk is integration issues with exist system, and the second one is AI prediction inaccurate during early purchase. Now the example for technical risk such as AI shift may not sync well with the current warehouse management system, causing delay in booking updates, and the system might suggest wrong freight to route due the lack of historical data and leading to delivery errors. So the second point is data privacy and security, risks of data breaches or misuse of client data, and the second one is compliance with data protection regulation. So for the third one is customer risks. Customer can confuse of dissatisfaction if UI is not user friendly, and the second one is loss of trust if AI makes booking error. So for the last one is operational risk resistant from staff due to change. For example, booking staff may feel replaced or overwhelmed by the new system, slowing down adoption. And the second point is downtime during implement affecting bookings like during the switch to AI system. AI system might be offline, causing missed and delay books. So the next slide is about data analysis and interpretation. So for the first point is improve booking efficiency through data-driven decision. So the second point is deliver time and delay, real-time tracking data. So the third point is high booking volume during weekend, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And the second one is predictive analyze like forecast peak booking time. And the last one is auto suggest best time slot to user. So the next slide is about recommendation and suggestion. So for the first point is change data security and privacy features. So for the example is since booking includes sensitive client data, strong and be stronger in script, build trust and ensure compliance. So for the second point is implement smart chatbot for 24/7 support. And the third one is introduce mobile app version for easy access on to go. So which is sales or logistics staff on site can book or check status instantly without reading on PC. So for the fourth point is automate booking confirmation to reduce manual error. And the last point is enable customer service self-service portal for booking and status update, which means instead of calling for each update or booking, client can log in and manage their order anytime. So this is our conclusion. So that we say the integration of AI Swift marks a significant step towards modernizing the forwarding booking process. So by leveraging artificial intelligence, the system brings enhanced efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. So overall, AI Swift streamline operation boosts productivity and position the company of scalable tech-driven logistic management. It's set to foundation for continuous innovation in the forwarding industry. Last but not least, automation of repetitive tasks, reducing manual error, and the real-time data processing for fast dedication marking, and the smart scheduling and optimized booking flow to improve customer communication through instant updates.
Here, this is the new system we have created. So the name of the system is AI Swift, and the industry we have chosen is Swift Integrated Logistics, one of the freight forwarding industry. So maybe these systems can be helpful for the freight forwarders out there in future. So this is the main dashboard of our system. Then we should proceed for the login. Then we should add our username and also our password. Once we have logged in, then we should select one of these. So there are three parties involved in the system, which is shipping agent Swift, which is us, and also the shippers, which is our customers. So the shipping agent sites, they can access their systems for update their monthly freight charges. Then Swift, us, we can access the whole system. And the main thing is we should go for the freight charges provided by the liners, and then we should add our markup price to gain profit from the shipment. Then we should access the system for our customers to proceed with their bookings. So today, as an example, I'm going for the shipper's site. So then next, we should select the booking details, which is import or export. So import is from overseas, then exporting goods is from Malaysia. So I'm going for export today. Then the logistics types, I'm going for FCL. Then the transport mode, I'm going for the sea. So next, this is the main part of the system. So selecting route, so from, I'm going for Tanjung Pelepas, Johor. Then 2 is I'm going for Jakarta, which is Indonesia. Commodity, I'm choosing the chilled food ingredients. Then the container details, the type and size is I'm going for the reefer container, since it is a chilled food ingredient. Then the number of containers depends on the shipper. Then weight per container, the minimum weight is 1,800. Then I'm just choosing the date as an example. So the date is based on the ETA and the ETDs we are going to proceed our shipment. So next we should click for the submission. Then once we have submit the details, so there will be a small conclusion from our liners freight touch. So if we have seen here, for example, Evergreen, if we have seen here, the Evergreen is giving us the cheapest price and also the shorter estimated days for the shipment. So I'm going for Evergreen. Then here is the box for adding any remarks or additional requests. So for example, we can put good condition container. Then since it's a referred cargo, so we can mention about temperature maybe. So the temperature control should be minimum -4 maybe, for example. Then we should confirm the booking. Once we have confirmed the booking request summary will be out for customers to look, so they can take a look of the summary. So this is the details we have key in. Then once the booking have confirmed by our liner, then we will provide the booking confirmation to our customers by email. So this is a short video about our new system that we have created. So thank you for watching this video.